No one knows why this elephant stayed. In front of us is an intelligent elephant family. 2 adults, 2 babies. Not a single unnecessary movement. Only dignity. Only style. The adult elephants watch the tourists. They assess the situation. They instinctively understand that it is safe for the baby elephants. And here comes the older son, 4 years old, confident personality. That look says, I know who I am. And what I'm seeing now is definitely a male. You can tell by his body structure, and yes, by anatomy too. He also has only 1 tusk, so where is the second tusk? Did he lose it? The tusks of adult elephants do not change with age. This can only mean one thing, that he lost it in a fight. This male is noticeably larger than the others, much larger. He deliberately leaves the family slightly behind and walks straight in front of the tourist's car. This is not random, this is protection. He stops, waves his trunk slowly in front of the car, spreads his ears, looks directly at the humans. This is not aggression. This is a warning. The tourists whisper, "She easy, easy," and the elephant responds by moving very slowly, crossing in front of them with complete control. Only after him, the mother follows, and then the 2 calves. The older son is about 3 or 4 years old. The youngest baby is around 1 year old. Now here's an interesting question. The female is clearly in a mothering phase. She is nursing, raising, teaching, protecting. This is not a reproductive period for her. So why is this male here? Is he the father? Did he come to visit, or did he stay? In elephant society, adult males usually live alone, but sometimes, especially when there are young calves, a strong male stays nearby, not to mate, but to guard. This looks very much like a family unit. The calves resemble both the mother and the male. Same facial features, same calm intelligence in the eyes. This male is not competing. He is not pushing. He is not demanding. He is simply doing his job, standing between danger and family, walking first, slowing everything down, a quiet giant, a father figure, a protector. He has crossed first, and now he is waiting. He stands very close to the tourist's vehicle, almost touching distance, but his attention is not on the people. He is watching the road behind him. The family is delayed. The calves are still there, showing off, playing, demonstrating their skills, as young elephants do. And now, appearing on the road, we see the large matriarch, the leading female of the group. She moves with calm authority. No rush, no tension. This brings an interesting question. In elephant society, there are strong rules, clear roles. Adult males often live apart, and matriarchs lead the herd. Yet here we see something different. A male, a mother, young calves, and the matriarch. All together, they move as one unit, with patience, with respect. Perhaps, just like in human families, there is an understanding that family is always strength. Even within strict social structures, there is space for acceptance, for cooperation, for shared responsibility. The male waits. He does not rush the family. He does not challenge the matriarch. The matriarch leads, the mother protects. The calves explore, and everything works. What stands out most is the calm. No fear, no chaos, no unnecessary movement. These elephants behave like leaders. intelligence, it is unmistakable. You can see it in their eyes, in the way they move, in how they read the situation and each other. This is not just a group of elephants crossing a road. This is a family, balanced, confident, quietly powerful. Maybe this male elephant chose to break rules that have existed for centuries just to stay close to his children. Maybe he decided that tradition could wait and presence mattered more. Or maybe he lives apart, as elephant males usually do, and these few moments are all he has. A few quiet minutes to watch his babies play, to walk ahead of them, to slow the world down, so they can cross safely. He doesn't rush them. He doesn't interrupt. He simply stays close. And perhaps that is his way of loving, not loudly, not dramatically, but fully, because sometimes real love isn't about breaking rules forever. It's about showing up when it matters most and standing there waiting just so your children can see you.